Alright guys, welcome back. Hey, sorry for that last video, but congratulations for those who got through it and taking the time and effort to get a little bit frustrated, but you know a little bit how JavaScript works with the variables and functions and methods and properties and stuff like that. But just forget all that. You know what? I'm actually going to take this out. I'm going to go ahead and take out our whole canvas and what we did in the last one. And we're going to create some more HTML5, CSS3, much more simpler type animation. So this is what I want to do for this one. I want to go ahead and just type a word. Say, hello world. And have it inside of our aside tags with the ID of side2. Now let's go to our CSS. Where are you, CSS? I'll just go over here and grab it. TextMate. Okay, so what do I want to do? Side 2. I'm going to straighten this out a little bit. Border, padding, margin right, background white, clear both. Now I'm just going to make this funky. I'm going to go ahead and, what should I do? I'm going to text align center. So hello world will now be in the center of our aside tag. Text align, we'll do background, do green or something kooky. And for the border, let's go ahead and get rid of, we'll do 5 pixels. Dotted red. Save that. And what else do I want to do? Change the font family. Change it to Arial, like that. And color now for the font. And we'll do white because we have a green background. So let's save this. Let's reload our page. Hello world. Okay, but what I want to do now is I want to do something that we'll probably never use, but this is kind of quirky. This is just how CSS3 can be animated or transitional. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and type in, I can't just type in transition. That's a new CSS3 property. I need to inform our browser, which I'm on Google Chrome, which I'd be using WebKit, and then I need to use it, transition. And I want to WebKit transform interval of 1 second. This isn't going to make sense until we put in the actual command. Now for down here, for the command, go ahead and type side _2 colon full colon hover, just like that. No spaces. You can't have a space right here because it won't work. Hover, just like that. And if you've worked with links before, like clicking on a link and showing up, like if you click on a link, links are usually blue, but when you come back to them, they're purple, where you can control that with CSS. So what we're saying is if we hover over, excuse me, if we hover over our side2 div tag, we want some sort of transition to happen that's going to take 1 second. What do we want to have happen? Let's go ahead and rotate it. So we'll do WebKit transformation, rotate, and we'll do a complete 360 degree. Let's save this. Let's reload it. And now let's hover over it. That didn't work. Let's go back to, did it work? That didn't work. Okay, so what are we doing wrong? I think I know what I messed up on. I typed in transformation right here. It's supposed to be just transform. Transform? Is that going to work? Save it. Let's reload it. There it is. Check it out. And you can change up the timing on this as well. We'll do like 3 seconds. We'll slow it down. Or 3,000 milliseconds, whichever way you guys want to look at it. It's going to go all slow like. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you're kind of like a circus-y kind of looking website or just whatever you're kind of going for. This is just an example of CSS3 and some animation. So good luck with this, guys. Hopefully this was a little bit easier than the last video. And the next video, we'll talk about one more animation before we get into our footer. All right, guys, good luck.